So there's been some very interesting, not only acquisitions, but actual things that have been actually improved when it comes to the technology. We'll talk about that, and we're definitely going to get into the price because I think it's very bullish the way it is moving. And I'm talking about that Monad coin. Let's go.
Welcome to the Altcoin Hour, your weekly alpha. Yeah, we breaking down the charts, flipping bags, playing smart, from the dips to the moon shots, connecting all the dots. Let's get it. Altcoin Hour.
Yes, sir. Welcome back to the show. I hope you guys are doing very well. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So 2 cents is where we're setting. The last 24 hours when it comes to buys and sells, pretty decent, pretty even, guys. So when I say we're consolidating very hard. We're talking about $4.5 million coming in versus the 4.7 that just went out the door within the last 24 hours. That's some pretty hardcore consolidation. So I think that's where we're going to be headed. Barring anything that may happen weird with the market, geopolitics, anything, bad news or whatever that can actually affect the price, it's going to do that because you see that sentiment across the market. But when it comes to the peers, Monad is doing way better than the latter. Let me tell you, because there is robust technology here. There is acquisitions, major acquisitions that occurred over the last couple of weeks. I'm seeing a lot of devs from other blockchain teams that are migrating to Monad because they know that the cream is about to rise to the top. All right. This is a very robust situation. So when you pull out and you look at the big picture, we got hit on February the 10th, but we came out of it pretty well. And that's because of the substance, right? I think we're going to hit 3 cents going into the second and third quarter, probably even get into the 10-cent category going into the fourth quarter. I believe we're going to get clarity when it comes to regulatory language and things of that nature. So you know how that's going. And that's affecting the price. It's affecting Bitcoin. But I think from January going into March, I like the way this chart looks. Let's get into these updates. So the Ponder acquisition, that was pretty big, guys. Now we're talking about owning that data layer, that data tool, big time movement, bringing the EVM index infrastructure. We're talking about protocol level infrastructure that has been strengthened to beyond what I thought they were going to be able to do. And we're talking about 3 months in the game, guys, and they're already pulling in and acquiring teams. This is pretty interesting. Now we already have robust speed, raw speed. Now you add this infrastructure, this EVM indexing infrastructure into the fold. That is just going to be very, very robust for the incoming devs that are already using this particular framework, right? When it comes to centralized applications, they're essentially doubling down on a protocol level. Monad isn't just the fastest, they're trying to own the data layer in its entirety. This is big. The Ponder acquisition was huge. So let's talk about these upgrades. RaptorCast, block propagation. We're talking about sharding the data, making it faster, making the network more decentralized as well. This is what you have with RaptorCast. This is very important. Now the Monad 9 upgrade, which was proposed in January, this went live this month as well. We're talking about increasing the efficiency level of the chain as well. This is what the 9 upgrade was, and you're going to see a lot of this going into the next 5 to 10 years. These particular upgrades are just going to continue to allow Monad to pull away from the competition, essentially. Some would say future-proofing it. I don't think it's going to future-proof. I don't think you can do that right now, but I will tell you these 2 particular upgrades, RaptorCast, Monad 9 upgrade, fabulous upgrades, guys. So you should be very happy if you're an investor, if you're a holder of this particular coin. We have hackathons that are ongoing as well. One just ended, 400 entries. I think you had 16 winners. I've seen everything from metaverses to dating apps, you name it. It was produced, and I think this is great. You're going to see a lot of this going into the rest of the year as well. A lot of real life events. That army is growing. I told you about the acquisitions. I told you about the upgrades. What do you think? And before we leave, I got to mention this perp I trade. It's an on-chain perp DEX that is in private mainnet right now. It's going to go live. This is exclusive to the Monad chain. It just keeps getting better and better. Let me know what you think about the report, and I'll see you on the next one.